Hello, I'm Holden Ramey with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by CattleFax, the deciding factor. Steer carcass weights have been trending lower since reaching a high of 931 pounds back in the beginning of November. In the most recent USDA slaughter report, steer carcass weights were pegged at 910 pounds, which is down 18 pounds from the same time last year. While it is certainly typical for carcass weights to decline through the late spring and winter, recent weather has no doubt played a role in the reduction of weights. Northern cattle feeding regions such as Colorado and Nebraska have been battling difficult pen conditions that have been brought on by winter storms and have resulted in significant snowfall across much of these areas. Looking at a regional breakdown of carcass weights, the impacts can be seen much more clearly. In Nebraska, carcass weights are currently averaging 879 pounds, down over 50 pounds since the first half of December. Over the same time frame, carcass weights in Colorado have fallen 47 pounds. For comparison, since the first half of December, carcass weights in Kansas have dropped 19 pounds, while weights in Texas have been mostly steady. Carcass weights are expected to continue to follow the seasonal trend lower into the early summer. However, it is expected to take some time to dry out and for pen conditions to significantly improve across the northern cattle feeding regions. This will likely keep increased downward pressure on carcass weights at least for the near term. Looking towards this week's markets, the live cattle complex traded into new highs this week as the beef cutout gained some support and the fed cattle market is expected to trade firmer. As of the time of recording, some dress trade has occurred in central and eastern Nebraska at mostly $2.54, which is $4 higher than last week. Trade in western Nebraska, Kansas, and Texas has yet to be established. The feeder cattle index has gained over $1 on the week so far and should finish around 182. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.